gave the mighty to the weak and the many to the few.
As an inner city kid, growing up in the urban neighborhoods, got into gang violence and had that wonderful opportunity to change my life.
One of the things that is so important to me is just bringing and gathering my family around the table to celebrate our heritage and traditions.
And Towson University managed to change the entire schedule for me so that I could play Division I basketball without playing on Shabbat.
Hey, so we make it 8 days, 8 nights.
We must light the menorah in a place where our neighbors, Jews and non-Jews alike, can see.
And people kept on lighting the menorahs until it seemed that the entire cruise ship deck was completely lit with menorahs.
Just take the first step. There's so much power in adding just one light.
Everybody at home, sing along.
How do I tune into that consciousness, the Rebbe said? And look what happens when you kindle a flame.
The work itself is not complete until it's shared with others, until it impacts others. Together, we can make the world complete.
8 flames, 8 lights for this miracle.
This is Chanukah, and this is why I love it so much.